my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel, I do budget-related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so in today's video, we're going to be doing my second paycheck for the month of March. Before I start to count my cash, I do want to take a sip of my sparkling water. Today, I have the Trader Joe's Raspberry Lime, so I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. So good. Okay, so here is my cash pouch. I'm gonna go ahead and take the money out. For this one, I'm gonna take out my calculator because I don't feel like messing up. Okay, so let's just start with the 50s. So it's 51, 150, 200. $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $40, $60, $82, $20, $40, $60, $83. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 35, 45, 55, 60, 5, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is correct. I'm cash stuffing $844. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and we're gonna start with my revolving cash. Okay, we're gonna start with this binder here. This has my envelopes for my wallet. Even though I don't carry a wallet, I do cash stuff these envelopes. Okay, so eating out is going to get 50. So I have 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. And for those that might be new, I do live off of a main road, and there is a hospital not that far from me, so sometimes you'll hear the ambulance coming up and down the street, so that's what that noise is. Okay, so spending is going to get 80. So this is 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. How is everyone doing? I cannot believe it's already the end of March. I am filming this on the 29th of March. I got paid last Friday, so just trying to get caught up with my videos. Okay, so compra, I rolled over $50 for my last weekly on stuffing. I'm gonna cash stuff this with 180 today. Okay, so let's just make sure that this is 180. So we have 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. And then plus 50 is, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so that is 230. Gas, I rolled over $15 for my last weekly in stuffing, and this is getting 100. Okay, let's just make sure this is 100. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, 115. So gas where I live is going up and down like really weird. Like the other day it was $3.39, and then I saw it one morning, it said $3.14 yesterday. So I was like, okay, great. So I was trying to get gas on my lunch break, but it was just gonna be too long. And the gas stations near my job were kind of high. It wasn't $3.14. So I was like, okay, I'll just wait after work. So I go to work, and I go on my way home, I stop at the gas station that said $3.14. Nope, it went up to $3.49. So I was like, oh my gosh, so annoyed. So I got gas anyway. And then heading home, one gas station said $3.14. I was so annoyed. But now that gas station today said $3.49. So anyway, they did reopen up the Sam's Club because that's been closed. They had to do like the parking lot was just a hot mess. So they redid it, and that says 314. So I have a full tank of gas, so I don't need gas until next week. So we'll see what the gas is like next week. Okay, so household is going to get 5. Household now has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9. My future rent is getting 65. Oops. So we have 50, 65. And I did just actually take money out of my Ally because my rent is due this weekend. So I want this prop money to always represent what's actually in my bank account. So I'm gonna swap this money out because I did take out 145. I did make a note in my tracker what my Ally account has now. So let me just take out the prop money here. That way I can just verify that that is correct. So this is a prop. And the reason why I have this money in my account is to collect interest, you know, have your money make money for you. Okay, so this money right here represents the money that's in the account. So that's 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 265. So that's 2,265. I took out 145. So this prop should be 120. So I'm going to take out 145 and keep 120. So 2,120. Now let's just count to see how much I should have total in this envelope between prop and real money. Okay, so I have 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 250, 270, 280, 290, 310. Oh my gosh, all this money is all over the place. Hold on a second. Okay, so that's 1,000, 2,000. 100, 200, 320, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Okay, so that's $2,380. And that is correct because it matches my tracker here. All right, so my cell phone is getting 25. Oh my gosh, it's getting late here. So 20, 40, 45, 50. You know what happens, guys, when it gets late? I get like a little bit cuckoo nuts. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go to my low priority sinking funds. We're gonna start off with anniversary gifts. Okay, so I have 3 anniversary gifts that I'm currently gonna be saving for. So where is TAP? Oh Lord, what did I do with TAP? Oh no. I don't know what happened to TAP. But anyway, TAP is getting, they're all getting 5 each. So MWP is getting a 5. So I'm gonna put TAPs here because I don't know what happens to TAPs. I really don't. So that's 10. And then JBP is getting a 5. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Plus 30 is $40 in this envelope. I must have put it somewhere else. I'll have to look for it. Okay, so Delight is not getting cash stuff today. Dustin is getting 105. So that's 50, 70, 90, 105. Okay, so Dustin has a total of 51, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 210, 20, 31, 32, and 33. So that's 233 plus his emergency money, which is 10, 20, 25, 32. So he has a total of $265. All right, the next one is going to be, okay, this envelope, this binder is done. I'm not cash stuffing anything else in this binder. We're gonna move to my high priority sinking funds. We're gonna go to car maintenance first. So car maintenance is going to get $10. So I have $550, $570, $580, $590, $610, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20. So that's $620. I ordered some new envelopes, the ones that are zipperless, but the ones that I ordered are so flimsy. I'm actually returning them, and I'm ordering a set from Soul Mama. So hopefully those are more sturdy, because I like sturdy envelopes, and the other ones seem like the money can fall out of it. So I didn't like that, so I'm gonna return them. Okay, so medical is getting a 40. There's 20, 30, 35, 40. Medical now has 500, 620, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 705, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's $718. My voice just lowered is because I think my neighbors just got home and these walls are really thin. Okay, so emergency is getting a 5. Now I have 500, 600, 720, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 805, 10, 15. So that's 815. Travel is getting 15. Travel now has 500, 600, 720, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. That's 770. I do want to go traveling soon in June. I want to take a few days off and just do like a staycation, but I'm trying to figure out where I want to go. So that's why I'm putting a little bit more money into that envelope. Plus, I'm also planning a trip in November to New York. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Savings is going to get 5. Savings now has 100, 200, 250, 60, 75, 85, 90, 192, 93, and 94. So that's 294. 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses is now also getting a 5. So that's 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, and 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, and 5, 10, 15, 25. So that's $2,425. All right, so that is it with my binders. Now I'm gonna get my savings challenge. Okay, so my penny, we're gonna go to my penny challenge. Penny challenge, we're going to quarter 4. Okay, and we're gonna go to October. So October, as you see here, owes 90. So I'm going to put 45. That's 20, 45. Then we're going to May, which is second quarter. And we are going to cash stuff this with $22. 21, 2. So this should be fully funded. Let's just double check. 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. As you see here, and May should have 44, and it is. Off camera, I'm going to actually, where's April? I'm actually going to fill out the trackers in the front of the binders just to see which ones are fully funded, and I will show you that next week. Okay, so now let's go over to my 52-week challenge, and we're going to go over to fourth quarter, which is November. Okay, so that is October. So you see here, November, I need to cash stuff $182. So I'm going to cash stuff this with 13 today. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so let's just add this to this stack. And so far I have 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. So I need 182. Slowly but surely, cash stuffing these. All right, so that is it for these challenges. As you see here, I have money left over. All right, let's just count to see. This should be 59. That's 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. Okay, so I got a raise this past paycheck, so I had a little extra money that I can pull out so I can cash stuff some savings challenge. So this I'm going to put in my savings challenge binder. Which is in here. And I'm going to cash stuff some savings challenges. All right, you guys, so as you see, I have no cash left. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And leave me, I'm trying to think of an emoji. Leave me a money bag emoji. That way I know you're at this point. If you guys are not already subscribed, do please consider subscribing. I will be having a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers for my subscribers. All right, you guys, take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye, guys.